Hello YouTube, this is Cody with Variety Work. Today's June 7th, 2024. Sorry my camera forgot to hit record, but I was in the middle of doing my outro, but what we got going on here is we just got done changing the oil in the tractor. So I'm gonna put the cap back on it and we're gonna close it up. We've already checked the oil. So we've already checked the oil. Didn't know this was used, so we're gonna take care of that right now. So I'm gonna turn the camera on, and this is my waste oil barrel for you guys that don't know. And I didn't realize in here we have more fucking used oil. So there, we just took care of the problem. Put that on there for a dust cover. So got that on for a dust cover. So all in all, I just showed you guys how to change the oil in a 52 8N Ford, and I'm gonna have to upload that part as a short, so I'm gonna say stay tuned for that. I'm gonna say stay tuned for that part, because I had to kind of make this a part two. So so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna try to move the buzz saw and the woodworking stuff and the table saw up to the little barn at Grandpa's house, and maybe I'll come back and I'll give you a little bit of a appetizer right now as to me mounting up this whiteboard for inside the shop, because now I need to write the stuff down, and when I change the transmission oil and stuff, and I'll have to go from there. So stay tuned for that video. So all in all, if you like the video, do me a big favor. It doesn't cost you guys a dime. Hit the thumbs up button. Click the notification bell so you know when I post future videos, if you guys haven't done that already. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you know what's going on. Right now I got about 10,000, almost 10,300 views on my YouTube channel. So again, I would appreciate that, and I'm gonna try to make videos here and there, because that's what I like doing. That's what this channel is all about. But like I said, I also got to take care of my grandma, who's 94 years old, and so it's just gonna kind of be back and forth stuff like that. So I don't want you guys to make it like I'm not posting any videos or making any YouTube videos. So I just want to clarify that with you guys and have a good understanding. So anyways, this is Cody with Variety Work. Over and out. Take care.